Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Are you ready to take your career in networking to the next level? Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance, Duke Training Center has got the perfect courses to help you succeed. Let's talk about some of the most prominent networking certifications like CCNA, CCNP, MCSE, and many more, and how they can supercharge your career. Let's talk about CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. This certification is your gateway into the world of networking. It covers everything from network fundamentals to advanced routing and switching. With CCNA, you'll gain the skills to install, configure, and troubleshoot networks, making you an invaluable asset to any organization that you work. Next is CCNP, Cisco Certified Network Professional. If you already have some networking experience and want to take it to the next level, CCNP is the way to go. This certification dives deeper into the advanced networking concept, including security, automation, and wireless. With CCNP, you'll be equipped to handle complex network solutions and lead network projects.